Hello, my art family. Welcome to my channel, The Art of Inside Impressions. Today, we will practice how to draw leaves. So, let us start. We are practicing leaves in order to improve our flow. So, I am using pen. You can also use pencil. It's your own choice. Here, I am using pen so that I can concentrate on only lines. This is a simple and easy process. Here, you can draw as many as leaves you can. There is no exception to draw only those leaves. You can also practice those leaves which can improve your lines. If you look here, I am starting with thin leaves. One is short and thin, other one is long and thin. Again we'll draw a identical leaf to the second one and we'll fill in the leaf. So if you observe the identical one which is 2:3, but now it is different to second one. Now we will start with the other leaf which is quite broad and short. So we can also pin in other leaf to the same one, and we can also do a bunch. So bunch of 3, bunch of 2. So you can do to the 4 and 5 your wish. And again, this is just a practice exercise so that you can improve your speed. And now we'll go with tiny branch which is attached with tiny leaves. So these may be as tiny as possible. So these are quite good. So this will depend on your patience. You can add on to the branch so that it will look as bushy, and I'll speed up the process. So you can also add tiny buds. It will look very much attractive. Believe me, adding those tiny buds, it will really impact a lot. Here you go. We'll add tiny buds. See the difference after adding. So it is like quite impressive. So again we'll add a new leaf to our page. So that is, any guesses? So it is a wrinkle leaf. It is a shapeless leaf. So you can make quite different shapes. So that may look into different shapes. So if you shade left, you can leave right. If you can shade right, you can leave left. So you can shade complete leaf, that will look a different way. So again a set of leaves. Now we'll add few big leaves as well as few buds. So this is a combination of big and tiny buds. So this will also give a different look. So see, just observe it. And adding to this session, I'm just following flow. This is not practiced one or like already planned one. So I'm just following my flow. And the next set will be as big as mango leaves. So you can draw quite simple leaves with oval shape, and you can add few shadings and some extra additional effects, so that and this, so that will be a different set of leaves. So here I prefer to shade like complete leaf. I'm not leaving few segments, so I'm trying to complete it with shading, so that this will be the result. And again a new leaf. See, name this leaf. Anyone? If you can name this leaf, comment below. Okay, then we are done with this leaf and we'll look into other one. I can say this leaf as grape leaves, similar to that, I guess. And look here, I'll shade only in center. This leaf will look completely different. That is different from the grape leaf. But grape leaf is completely shaded and this is not similar to grape leaf now. And this is a center portion of previous leaf. That is, you can see here I am only using a small space to draw this leaf. This is kind of a feather, so you can completely fill it, and you can also add dots in the corner. That is optional. So this is like this. Done with this one. So we'll look into other leaf, which is like, first we'll shade same as the previous one. So initially I'll fill in this and I'll add a leaf outline from the outside. See, in this way. So again, just go with flow. I am just showing a way. You can follow or not, but you can try this type of exercise in order to improve your artwork. So you can shade or leave, that is your own choice. So I want to add few tiny dots to the previous leaf, so that is also optional, but after adding it will really look great. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications. And the next leaves, this is a bunch of tiny leaves, so that is really tiny leaf, so this will also create a good sense. So I am showing these leaves. You can add to the greeting cards, you can add like creative notes, so that will give a natural look. So in my previous video, we have gone through all flowers. So you can add a bunch of flowers to the bunch of leaves. That will be a great combination, I say. And as I always say, there is no limit to your shading. And there is no exception to do that or do this. You can add values to your leaves. You can add shadows. You can add shading. You can leave like that. You can do anything you can. Just explore. Just do new things. Here I completely shaded my leaves. So before there are lot of empty spaces, but now I'm satisfied with my tiny branch. So we'll look into other set of leaves. So that those are like really a tiny leaf bunch to the branch. So it is like this. So you can draw bunch of tiny leaf to the branch, so that will be like really good in your notes. So what I'm suggesting is you can draw these leaves and you can write notes if you are really interested in that subject, so that will create interest towards subject. So I am making this process as fast as possible so I can help with the other set of leaves. So this is the next set will be a same this kind of leaf, but broad leaves, but a short leaves. So this will give a different look than the previous one. So the size, the shape, this structure and everything will add value to it, and the shading is the most valued part in the art. So I'm going to do a shading based video after a 2 or 1 videos, though that will be a basic shading video. So here I want to add few values to the leaves, so that I am almost done with this episode. And thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications.